So kids, come sing today. Learn your letters the fun way. Clap your hands and sing along. Alphabet time, sing this song. A for apple.
A for apple, red and bright. B for ball, roll it right. C for cat, meow, meow. D for dog, bow, wow.
E for egg, small and white. F for fish, swim all night.
A, B, C, D, E, F.
Sing with me, you're doing best.
G for goat, jump and play. H for hat, hip hooray. I for ice cream, yum yum. J for jug, pour some fun. K for kite, fly so high. L for lion, hear it roar. G, H, I, J, K, L. Clap your hands and sing as well. M for monkey, swing, swing. N for nest, birds sing. O for orange, round and sweet. P for parrot, pretty beak. Q for queen, crown so bright. R for rainbow, colors light. M, N, O, P, Q, R. You are shining like a star.
S for sun, shine all day.
T for tiger, roar and play.
U for umbrella, open wide.
V for van, go for a ride.
W for watch,
Tick, tick,
X for xylophone.
music fun.
I for yo-yo,
Up and down,
Z for zebra.
stripes so round.
A to Z, sing with me. Letters make us smart and free.
A for apple, B for ball.
Alphabet fun for one and all.
Great job, kids, clap and cheer. Little learner lab is here.
Bye bye, friends. See you soon.
Sing